Now, here's how you can enable dark mode on Google Maps on the iPhone. So there is some, it's pretty easy to set it up, but I'm going to show it to you exactly in this video. So before we begin, make sure you're subscribed so you never miss videos like these. Let's get into it. So when you open up the Google Maps app, you get inside, you have everything as it should be, right? So you can see your maps and stuff. And if you go to the settings right here by tapping on your name, then tap on settings, you can find some options. So for example, using maps has the dark mode option, and you essentially have three settings here. It can even be either be turned on, off, or same as device settings. So, you can manually switch it back and forth, but the same as device settings essentially is going to reflect the dark mode of the entire iPhone. And the iPhone can be turned on or have the dark mode setting by going to the control center. Then you can hold down on this brightness slider and you have the dark mode. So when you enable this, everything is going to go a little bit darker, and this will result in the maps being dark as well. So you can also enable this. This is kind of a good option in case you want to keep it automatic and don't have to worry about this. And yeah, that's pretty useful. And also when it comes to these settings, it can also be managed inside of the settings, so you can even automate that. So when you open up the settings, go to display and brightness, we have the night mode somewhere in here. So we have this appearance right there, and I'm pretty sure you should be able to find it in here. So we have the options. Yeah, so I guess you can set it up automatically in here, right? So yeah, that's the possibility too, right? So you can see we have it set to automatic right here. That means that it's gonna be sunset to sunrise, but you might as well just choose a custom schedule. So hope you found this video helpful. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I'm gonna catch you later on in the next video.